My video guide is about removing the ransomware that is called Vvew. Vvew is a special ransomware type program that belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. Vvew damages the files, and as a result, it is not possible to use these files anymore. You can now see clearly that we are able to open our files without troubles. Regretfully, it might happen that your current antivirus program would fail to protect your computer. It means that that program was simply out of date and it just didn't protect your files, which is of course a very sad news to hear. Vvew ransomware considerably damages these files by means of encrypting them. When people restart their computers, they suddenly realize that something bad has happened and that the files are no longer accessible. So it's not possible to use them. The ransomware then tells its victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. Yet, paying the ransom is not a good idea. It just does not guarantee that the files would be restored. And if you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money. So this is what happens. We open this specific file and we get this message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Vvew extension. Removing this additional extension does not fix the issue. The files are still damaged and encrypted. First thing we recommend you to do is to research the task manager. If you find any suspicious processes like this one with a long and random name, right-click on it and end its task to stop the further file encryption. Then we recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. This is the way the program looks like. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. The program should first of all update its anti-malware database. Please don't cancel this procedure because this is crucial for proper detection of any malware. After the anti-malware database is updated successfully, Combo Cleaner begins scanning and researching your system. Possibly you will see that some threats will be found in the very beginning, but some threats may be found later on. While the scanning is taking place, please pay very careful attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. However, it is the part of the premium license only. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their locations. I do recommend that you upgrade to premium. This is the best solution to keep your files always protected in the future.